Hi guys, today I'm gonna hold my guinea pig, Spike. If you know him from the last video, he's so cute. Oh yeah, little buddy. Here, I'm gonna give you guys a better view. Nope. Now we're just upside down. Okay, I'll just take you back to this view. Hey, Spikey. Say hi to the camera. Say hi. Say hi, buddy. Oh, yeah. He's so cute. Yeah. You guys want to see him? He's really cute. Snuggle. Oh gosh. Where are you? Spike. No, Spike. Spike, get back here. Spike. Where are you trying to go? Guys, if you don't see right there, he's got a little bald spot. Right there. Oh yeah. Oh, shedding all over me. Oh, Spike! No, sit, Spike. Spike, sit and stay. Sit and stay, Spike.
I thought you said you were gonna
Oh, shit, oh, shit. You wanna come sit with me?
These are
It's Spike the guinea pig. Look, it's you, Spike. Hi, guys. My name's Ow. Hi, guys. My name's Spike the guinea pig. Ow. 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 He's so cute, isn't he? Oh, what are you doing? He's confused. No, look at his teeth. Hey, Hunt, can you go get me a carrot? Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll close the website.
Comment down below Spike in the comments. Cause Spike is a ow ow. I'm Spike the guinea
I'm
pig.
sorry, I can't get a carrot. We don't have any.
Can you get a green bean?
What are they?
In the fridge. Oh, we're gonna get you a snack, Spike. Maybe show the viewers some tricks. You wanna show them some tricks? Yeah. These are the viewers, Spike. Say hi. Say hi, Spike. He's my little friend. Where you want? He wants to go up here, but there's nothing back there but my bed. Guinea dog and his guinea pig. Yeah. Guys, this was the inspiration of my... Ow! Sit! This was the inspiration of my channel. And the book Guinea Dog, too. Oh, he's trying to hug me. Here, Spikey. Okay.
I got 3 of them.
Thank you. Just give me one. Just give me one.
Oh, I do. I don't need one.
Yeah. Oh, holy! It's flung this thing. Look. Look at him chew. Guys, watch how he chews. Look at him. He's chewing.
Oh, I'm a chew.
Do you want more? Want more? Oh my gosh! Oh! Guys! Spike, calm down. All it is a green bean. This is Spike, get back here, Spike. Spike.
Did he poop on you?
No, I'm holding it because you're gonna jig it. No. Look at those teeth marks on that thing. Look at those teeth marks. Yeah, you try. Wait, guys, look at his teeth. I'm gonna hold him up. He just bumped his head into my face. Spike, be more careful. He's like a baby. Well, he is a baby guinea pig. And I'm his father. Spike, eat it. Guys, it's dangling. Spike. Just yank it out. Spike. There, eat it. Oh my. Eat it.
Dirty water now. That's a little bit of dirty water now. And then,
Dude, stop spitting it all over me. Dude.
and then I'm done. Then I
Hunt, put this in his cage, please. Ow. No.
put it in this cage.
That. I got you. Spike's trying to run away. Where would you even go? Under the bed?
Cage, Mom.
Spike likes being under the bed.
Alright, come for him on here.
Spike, you're making green beans go everywhere. I know, right? He's being a messy eater. Ow!
Oh.
Jeez, Spike. Dude, look at the seeds. He's just chewing straight through it. You don't want? You want? Want onions? Oh, where is he trying to go, Yummy?
Put this in there now. Mom,
Hunt, put this in his cage. He doesn't want any more.
I'll put that in there.
Here, Hunt. Oh, he caught it. Hunt caught the green bean. Spike. Mr. Spike! Where are you going? Ow. Okay, I'll just hold you. Guys, this is me and Mr. Spike. Yes.
These in the cage. Put a big one thing.
My guinea pig. Yeah. He's a good boy. Good boy, Spike. Ow! Mr. Spike! Ow! Dude, he's scratching. Look at that. He just scratched me. Dude, there's literally fur from him all on the camera. There's fur all over me. That's his fur. Mr. Spike, the guinea pig.
Put him back in his cage. Mom said God.
Alright, well, Spike's gonna go home. So, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and like this video, or Spike's gonna get ya. Peace.